In this video we'll be air frying egg, bacon and spinach and serving with a side of soldiers. We'll be using a baked potted eggs and toast recipe from the Cossery Smart Air Fryer app. First, lightly spray a 4x7.5 cm ramekin with oil. Next, add an egg to each one. We'll be using 200 grams of quality streaky bacon. Slice into pieces of about 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Fry your bacon until it's brown or to your desired crispiness. Pour in 2 cups of baby spinach and cook until it's wilted. Mix in 1/3 of a cup of thick cream. Add in 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Pour the creamy mixture evenly into the ramekins. Preheat your air fryer at 175 degrees Celsius. Place the ramekins into the air fryer. Air fry at 175 degrees Celsius for 6 to 12 minutes. The explanation behind the times will be at the end of the video. Make some fresh orange juice while waiting. It's a healthy and fresh way to start your morning. Be careful when you remove the ramekins from the air fryer as they'll be hot. Butter bread on both sides and then cut into 4 pieces. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. Serve your egg with the soldiers and salt and pepper to taste. The buttered bread in the air fryer is amazing and crunchy. Air fried bread just always turns out great. After air frying for 12 minutes, the yolk and white are fully cooked. More alternatives are at the end of the video. It's simple to make and makes a great breakfast in the morning. If you would like both the white and the yolk to be runny, air fry for 6 minutes. If you air fry for 8 minutes, the yolk will be runny, but the whites will be less runny. After air frying for 12 minutes, the yolk and white are fully cooked.